Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back to the French Cooking with Chef Brett Heath social media channel. I am excited to share my recipe with you today. We're going to be making French style scrambled eggs. They are a little bit different than American style, so after we roll the intro, we're going to share that with you. Alright, and the next step into this particular recipe is we're going to have about 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Kind of mix that in there real good, because the more eggs you have, the more butter you want. And we're going to go ahead and let that melt. Give it a good mix around here. And we just recently had gone live, and we had a question that was asked before we had some technical difficulties. And they were asking, why did you become a chef? Well, that actually has a really cool reason. When I was in high school, I took culinary classes. And the chef that taught that was super cool. His name was Marty Staples, a good friend of mine. It was my mentor for many, many years. He had worked for people like Garth Brooks. He was a private chef for Michael Jordan and many others. And he just made the culinary industry seem really, really cool. And so I continued my journey to become a chef as well with his mentorship. So we appreciate the viewer asking that question. And we're also waiting for this butter to melt. In case you're wondering, this is our merch. Chefs are the real G's, but we also have mugs, we have travel cups, we have Bible verse t-shirts, we have sweaters. I mean, just about anything that you could want that has daily affirmations, Bible affirmations. So make sure you go into the link. We'll have it in this video and check out our merch, because you will not be disappointed. Alright, now that is melted, we'll go ahead and grab our eggs. And there's about 3 to 4 in here with a little bit of salt, pepper, and about a tablespoon of butter. Go ahead and put that in there. Now, one thing you need to know about this particular recipe that's a little bit different than American style eggs when it comes to French style eggs is they're going to be a lot creamier, so it takes a lot of stirring and waiting. Stirring and waiting. We're going to go ahead and stir in our eggs real quick and just kind of start letting them cook. Alright, and one of the things about this recipe is sometimes it takes a very long time for these to get cooking because you have it on medium to low heat. Sometimes when you're in here, you just gotta keep stirring, keep stirring, keep stirring. And while you're cooking it, you can always add in a little bit extra butter. Like I said, they'll be nice and creamy that way. I just put an extra tablespoon of butter in there so far. Just to stir and wait, stir and wait. And one of the things you want to do a lot of times when you're cooking eggs too is it's called heat balance. It keeps your eggs from scorching or getting burnt as you take it off for a few minutes. And then you let it cook for a few minutes. Take it off for a few minutes, let it cook for a few minutes.
Wax on, right hand. Wax off, left hand. Wax on, wax off.
And now, once they're finally ready, this will be the final product and what it looks like. Notice again, like I said, it's a lot creamier than regular style eggs, but it is absolutely delicious. Well, as I always say, most important ingredients when it comes to cooking is love and passion. Have a great day, and God bless.